Hello everyone, my name is Fabio Silva and I'm a senior VFX artist in the games industry. I've spent the last 10 years of my career working in places such as Guerrilla Games, Crytek, Epic Games, Naughty Dog, and Blizzard Entertainment. During my career, I've worked on blockbuster titles such as Killzone series, Rise Son of Rome, Paragon, Uncharted series, and The Last of Us series. I'm also a Visual Effects Society Award winner and a runner-up for that award 2 other times. In this course, I would like to guide you through my process on creating environmental visual effects for games from start to finish, with techniques and workflows I've used on games such as Uncharted 4 and Lost Legacy, as well as doing some stylized effects. I create all the effects for this tutorial from start to finish, leading you through the process of creating the particle systems, textures, the materials, placement and logic for the effects, as well as art directing our scene until we have something that is worthy of a AAA game. We will start with a deep dive into Unreal Engine's particle system, showcasing most of the tools we will be working with during the duration of the course. We will be then moving towards advanced techniques, as well as creating professional looking content for your environmental effects. All the things I'll be teaching will be relevant to the creation of your effects work for any kind of environment, better preparing you to become a professional visual effects artist. During the 15 run-hour time of our course, we will also spend one extra chapter teaching you how to create a little cinematic moment with some destruction in it. I'm very happy and honored to be teaching this course in China through the collaboration with the EU. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the course.